So we are going to condense the following logarithm. These are your properties. So if you have a log plus another logarithm, to condense, you multiply. If you have two logarithms being subtracted, to condense, you divide. If you have a number out front being multiplied by the logarithm, you put it back in as the exponent. So, knowing that, let's look at this logarithm. We have 3 times log of 2a minus 7 times log of b. First thing we want to do is we want to find exponents. So this 3 is going to go in as the exponent. The 7 is going to go there. So we're going to have log of 2a to the third minus log of b to the 7th. Now we are subtracting. If you are subtracting, then you're going to divide. So we're going to have log of 2a cubed divided by b to the 7th. That is completely condensed.